can decide to give them a game console. Yes. Don't give them gift console that will cause fights in their house. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another sit down video. My name is Gift. If it's your first time stopping by, you are welcomed. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm dressed like a bride, yeah. So by the title of this video, you already know what this video is about. See, I came looking very sweet, white, because this topic, let's just get straight into the video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about unconventional gift ideas for newlyweds. So these are gifts that you can gift. I'm so sorry, I'm a mess. I don't know why. So I'm talking about gifts that you can gift newlywed. Yeah, you guys get what I mean. So gifts you can gift newlywed. And if you're interested in this kind of video, then please keep on watching. So the first point I have here is custom doormat. You guys, imagine gifting a newlywed a custom doormat that says welcome home or happy home. I'll put a picture just on the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. Those kind of gifts leave lasting memories, and the couple would always remember you for gifting them that gift. So please try to be creative when gifting newlyweds. Just think about what you use in your house. Think about your everyday use in your house. Those are the kind of gifts that newlyweds should receive. Okay, so that's the first point. And the second point I have here is gift cards, voucher, hotel discount. You guys, these 3 points I just mentioned right now are the absolute sweetest gifts that you can give newlyweds. Imagine giving them a hotel discount. They can just go to the hotel and chill after their wedding, or like days after their wedding, just to have like an alone time to themselves. And these are gifts that go a long way. Imagine gifting them vouchers or gift cards. You guys, thinking about it now, yeah, gift card never used to be a thing in Nigeria, but right now a lot of people have started incorporating gifting newlyweds gift cards, and I think it's a very thoughtful idea. Like, imagine gifting me a spa card of 100,000 naira. I can shop at spa with 100,000 naira, and that's mind-blowing. That's mind-blowing in my opinion. So the third point I have here is Fire Stick. Yeah, so I'll put a picture on the screen so that you see what I'm talking about. So Fire Stick is a device that allows you access different TV shows, Netflix, Prime TV, YouTube, and the rest all in one. Oh my god! Wow! It's very thoughtful. I don't have to own a decoder or anything. As long as I have a Fire Stick, I can connect it to my TV and I can watch my favorite shows. I can watch Netflix, I can watch YouTube. So please, when trying to gift newlywed, please incorporate this idea. It is a very beautiful gift to gift newlywed. So the next point I have here is Bluetooth speaker, Alexa, Apple Dot.
You guys, I just got Alexa and Alexa just said talking. Okay, so we have to wait for her to keep quiet.
Okay, she's done. I won't mention her name again. But these are convenient gift ideas that you can gift newlyweds that they will really love. Imagine gifting them these ideas that I just mentioned. It will go a long way in their home, and these are gifts that will be functional in their house. So please cultivate the habit of being intentional with your gifts. Yeah, so the next point I have here is picture frame, portrait photo. You guys, I love picture frames and portrait photos. I got a picture frame for my wedding. I also got a portrait for my wedding, and those two are functional in my house. In fact, I have one of the picture portrait I got. So I got this picture portrait. I don't know if you guys can see very well. So it says, it has my picture and my husband's picture, and it has our son name and just a little write-up, and this is part of the decor in my house today. I have a portrait that is just over there. I'll probably show you guys when I'm done with this video. These are gifts that is functional in my house. So please cultivate the habit of buying gifts that will complement and also suit the lifestyle of the couple. Yeah, so the next point I have here is custom throw pillows, custom beddings. You guys, Throw pillows are the absolute best. I love throw pillows. Like, who doesn't love throw pillows? You can customize these gifts and it goes a long way. Trust me, it goes a long way. The fact that you went out of your way to even customize it only shows the couple how much you value them and how much you think about them. So custom made gifts are the absolute best and you can never go wrong with a custom made gift. So the next point I have here is okay, so I wrote down furnitures here, but in my head I'm thinking furnitures would have been a good idea, but you don't know the size of their house, you don't know the shape of their house, you don't know what style they're going for, so we would not really talk about furniture. But if you do know the couple very well, like if you're like a very close family friend and you've had conversations about things like this, of course you can get them a furniture. It will go a long way. It will save them the expenses of going to purchase that furniture. So yeah, if you can, why not? But I won't really, you have to be close to the couple or you must have known them to an extent to purchase a furniture for them. Yeah. So the next point I have here is cookbooks. You guys, I love I love cookbooks. Like, I have just one cookbook and Mr. A got me that cookbook. No, I think it's somewhere around, but I have just one cookbook and I love it so much. You guys, cookbook is not old-fashioned. Please, it is not old-fashioned. Cultivate the habit of buying gifts that will leave lasting memories, and trust me, a newlywed will also love a cookbook. Imagine gifting a newlywed a cookbook. Like, the bride, she would really love it. She would want to explore more, you know, cook different meal for her husband and stuff like that. And see, cooking builds intimacy. If I've not mentioned on this channel, yes, when you cook together with your spouse, it builds intimacy. Yeah So this brings me down to my next point. Have you thought of the idea of gifting newlyweds a microwave, a toaster, a juice maker, a mixer? You guys, these are gifts that would leave lasting memories. Imagine you taking off the stress off the newlywed by gifting them these gift items. You guys, you're taking off a lot of stress from them, and again, you are helping them save money. You are helping them save money because after their wedding, they have like a lot of things they need to use money for. So imagine you gifting them things that will be functional in their home, that they won't have to spend so much to get. So please think about these ideas. You guys, it goes a long way. Trust me, it goes a long way. It leaves lasting memories in the couple's mind about you. And yeah, you can also gift them a air conditioner if you are up to it, a washing machine if you are up to it, a deep freezer if you are up to it. You guys, I got a deep freezer for my wedding, I got a microwave for my wedding, and it is functional in my house. You guys, it is functional. These are gifts that me and my husband did not have to spend so much. In fact, these are gifts that we did not even think of buying because it was gifted to us on our wedding day. It was literally in the hall, so we already knew what we needed to buy and what we didn't have to buy because we already got intentional gifts. You guys, most of my kitchen items are from my wedding, so you can imagine me as a newlywed back then. I didn't have to spend so much buying all of these things. I got pots, you guys, I got set of pots, I got intentional and beautiful gifts, and I'm using them today. So please cultivate the habit of buying gifts that will be functional in their home. Just think about your home. Like I said in the beginning, whatever you use in your home that is functional, these are the kind of gifts that you should give newlyweds. So talking about all of this, try to invest more or get a low power or an inverter product because it will also go a long way. Number one, they'll be able to save power in their house and the products will last longer, because I've come to realize that products that have inverter last longer in case of power outrage or in case of power tripping off. Those products will last longer than the ones that don't have inverter. And when I mean low power, get them gifts that will not be eating their money because electricity is not cheap, okay? My next point is custom mugs or custom key holder. I'll put a picture on the screen, and this point makes me really happy. As you can see from my face, I personally got a custom key holder from my friend and a custom mug from my friend. I'll show you guys now. So I got two of these. So this says Mrs. Always Right, and I got another one for my husband that says Mr. Right. And you guys, I had to take out the key so that I can show you guys. I love this key holder. Like, it just leaves a lasting memory of my friend that gifted me this gift. Her name is Amina. I cannot forget. Like, I still look back at this. This is something I use every day, so obviously you can tell that I can't forget who gifted me this gift item. Then the custom mug I got, my friend Amina still gifted me this custom mug. As you can see, it says his lordship and her ladyship. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the one for my husband. Can you see how beautiful this mug looks? Look at how beautiful it looks. Then this is mine. Can you see how beautiful it looks? So these are intentional gifts, you guys. I'm not even going to lie. Since I got this, I've never used it. Like whenever I look at this cup, I'm like, is this for me? But now that I've done this video, I'm sure I'll start using it. So these are gift ideas that leave lasting memory, like I said. And thinking about this, see you guys, you can always monetize your gifts. You don't have to buy a gift at all time. If you're not certain of what to buy, or if you don't know what to buy, you're not sure of what to buy, you guys monetize it. Give them a gift bag. Like, just give them money. Give them money. Trust me, every newlywed would appreciate every penny given to them on their wedding day. Trust me, every newlywed would appreciate. See, even if it's 5,000 naira, monetize that gift. If you're not certain of what to buy, monetize that gift. Trust me, you can never go wrong with money. You can never go wrong with cash gifts. So please monetize the gift if you're not sure of what to buy. So my next point is scented candles. Oh god, you guys, I love these some scented candles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have 2 that I haven't even opened. You guys, I love scented candles. Oh, I love scented candles so much. I love scented candles. See, you can never go wrong with scented candles. Trust me, you can never go wrong with scented candle. Give them something that will make their house smell nice, okay? You can never go wrong with scented candle. Like, these are very thoughtful gifts. You can give newlyweds scented candle. You can give them a diffuser if you are up to it. Why not? You can give them a diffuser. See, let me just shake some tables more, yeah? You can decide to give them a game console. Yes, you can decide to give them a game console, but don't say I did not warn you. It doesn't work for every couple, you guys. A game console doesn't work for every couple. But for you to gift them that particular gift idea, then you must have known them to an extent, or you must be really close to them to know that they really need it, or to know that it will be functional in their house. Because see, don't give them gift console that will cause fights in their house. But it is a beautiful gift to give newlyweds. So my next point is books for couple. You can gift them a book that talks about marriage. You can gift them a book that talks about intimacy, how to bring up their children, a Bible. Yes, you guys, it is very thoughtful to give newlyweds a book that will improve their marriage, a book that will impact them. So yeah, I think I've come to the end of this video. I have covered all the points I wrote down, and please comment down below what you think about this topic. Comment down below what you think about these gift ideas, and if you've been married, how was your wedding gift like? What did you get as your wedding gift? What did you receive rather on your wedding day? What did you wish you would have received on your wedding day? Just comment down below. And if you're not married too, you can just comment down below and let me know what you would love to get. And please let me just put it out there, these ideas are not limited. It doesn't work for every couple. However, there are thoughtful gifts out there that you can gift newlywed that will work and suit their lifestyle. So please, if you want to gift newlywed, please be intentional about what you give them. And yeah, I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.